This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Hey guys, this is an assignment right here, and this would not have been possible without the help of Gerald's program. That is what I am talking about. Look at that, guys. That is, can you see it? Yeah, that's $12,000 right there, and that is all because of Gerald's program. This was a lead that came in organically from doing the credibility program, and this is going to be a game changer for us. Like, we're getting so many more leads just because of us trusting his system and really going through and doing what we need to, guys. This is what it's all about. Look at that right there. That's our assignment fee, 12.6. So it's a big day for us, and we're gonna put this, guess what, right back into the program, because we're gonna get this to be even more. We want this to be 20. This is chump change. This is chump change. We want more than this. So Gerald, thank you. You're the G. You're the top boss, and yeah, looking forward to doing more like this.